Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a star which you can use for decoration or putting on paper, or later on I think we will make him on a Christmas ball, or we're going to use him over there. So we delete that one by pressing X, and we're going to add mesh circle. We're going to select 6 vertex like that, press 7 on the num key, so you come into that menu. So we go to edit mode, and we're going to put ES to the center, E from Eric, and we don't go that far in the center to something like this. We're going to put Control R just around the middle somewhere, like this. Left mouse click, and we're going to select these edges and we're going to fill them. So we select edge selection, right click, Alt right click, and press F to fill it. Now we're going to select that edge, that edge by holding down the shift button. Just right click, and we're still holding down the shift button. Select every edge of that, and now we're going to use Control B, where we can bevel it a little, like this. It's coming, yeah, not too much. The only pay attention that you have to have a certain distance between them. Don't make them too thick. This is looking good. Now we go to select every vertex in between by holding down the shift button and right clicking, and we're going to delete them. Thus we press delete edges, and every edge is disappearing. Now we're going to select, holding down the shift button and right click on every edge, and we're going to switch from middle point to individual origin. And now we're pressing S, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Every top of the star we're going to scale down, and now we're going to select the middle parts also by holding down the shift button. Do the same, just press S, and we try to get them in line with the other ones, or something that is looking similar to that. So if this is done, what we're going to do now is we're going to extrude it. So we're going to select everything, press A once, twice, and now we're going to extrude in the Z direction. So press EZ to give a certain thickness to your star, like that. Don't exaggerate, it won't be looking nice. Now we go to vertex selection, and we're going to select every 4 of these vertices. Right click, holding down the shift button, and when everyone is selected, we switch here again to median point, and we press S to go to the center, just a little bit, so it's looking rather conically, let's say it like that. And now we right click, shift right click, holding down the shift button and then the right click to deselect these parts, and we're going to lower them. So we go to that thing and we bring them down. You see? Don't exaggerate. We're going to select the middles now by shift right clicking, and we do the same. Bring them down just a little bit. You can bring them in line like that, and we're going to narrow them also. Those we go back again over here to individual origin, and we press S again, and we're going to bring them a little more closer to each other, and we do the same for the outside. So pressing that, so they are a little conically in both directions. So press S, and okay. Now the only thing that is still necessary is these in the middle here on top. We do the same over there. To select that one, while holding down the shift button, of course. We select these all, and we do the same. But the center point is there in the middle, so we have to switch to that medial point and pressing S. Like that. Now to see if you're doing right, we're going to add over here a modifier subdivision surface, and we're going to put 4, and now you already see your shape coming. So if it's looking nice, leave it. Is it not okay? Is it, you say for instance that this is too big, press S again, and you can make it smaller, more like that. If you want a star like this, or you want a bigger one like that, it's not important. That pay attention that you have underneath the same thing. It's the only part that I'm now changing is the top part. If you want to change the part underneath, select by holding down the shift button, of course. Select every edge over there, and you can make the underneath, make it grow like that, or make it smaller like it. It's depending on what you want. It's more a natural that everyone chooses what he likes the most of it. So we go back to object mode, and your star is made or born. Now we're going to add some material, and we're going to say yellow. Choose very nice looking yellow with some illumination. Okay, and now we go to the camera view, pressing 0, and we're going, pressing 0 and lock. Where are you? Lock the camera view. Yeah, something like that. This is in a tutorial somewhere. So scroll up and down is rotating with the mouse key in the middle, and moving at the sides is shift, and then moving your mouse. Just put it somewhere where you like it, and then render, and this is the result you get. You see this is not good. Why? We go back to 3D, we have to smooth it, and now we render. And this is my star that I'm going to use later on, and then as a decoration. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.